All right. So this is how you will do a Turnitin style assignment. So what you do on Blackboard, you go into assessments and you choose Turnitin assignment, right? And then you can do it as a paper that they turn in. Um, this is so that they can review each other's papers, and this would be so that you can give them revisions and they can do it again. So I'll just do the simple one here for you. Go to the next step and you put in, it'll take a second. We go to the next step, you can put in your parameters as far as what you want the assignment to be and whatnot. So if we go back, look at this one, right? It's got, you know, the name of it, and then what, and then a description of it, and then the students will look at it and they'll be able to submit it from Dropbox, from the computer, or a Google Drive. So what it looks like after um, the student turns it in, I can grade it from a page that looks kind of like this. This is just a one of my old assignments that I threw in there because I wanted to keep my students' privacy. So anyway, they have quick marks, and I put these together really quick, right? It's error with a personal, acentos, inglesismo, concordancia, right? And I can just drag these and put them here, and then I can click on it and add a comment, right? Or I can come in and I can highlight here, right? And I can put a check mark like, oh, that's so I can add a quick mark, right? Or I can make a comment based off of that sentence. This makes no sense. Not that I would write that necessarily to my student, but you know what I mean, right? And then you can also build, you can put in your own rubric. I have this based off of the one that Sue has, right? And you can set it to as a qualitative, right? Or you could do it so that there's numbers here and it automatically will put in the percentage here, right? Based off of where you put it on this. And then there's also a spot here where you can either leave a voice comment or type comments on the overall thing. I don't have it set up for this particular assignment, but you can also see like a plagiarism report. It checks the internet for anything that's too similar. And it's honestly not that reliable, but it is nice to have that background if you want it. So I haven't played around too much with it, but it was super easy for me to put in these, right? I have like verb form, vocabulario, reflexive verb, verb tense. I stole those from somebody else's quick marks that they were doing. Anyway, so you could add one just like this. Let's say we wanted one that was, I don't know, poor versus para, right? I would do P dash P, and then I'd type here problem with poor para, right? Save that. I already have that on there, so I'm gonna archive it now. Anyway, that's Turnitin. You can also set it so that it sends out the grades to the students at the same time, which is really nice. Anyway, have a good day.